Hey, brothers and sisters, I'm McDaniel, Tesla's Enthusiasm. So, this is going to be Grave Investigations Part 2. My battery died when I was piano. Imagine that. The battery on my phone is pretty rough. Hopefully, the wind isn't messing up the mic too bad. And if it is, then I guess I'll just scratch this video and have to come another day. Anyway. Grave Investigations Part 2. So, we're going to take a walk around and we're going to look at some of these gravestones. We're going to be focusing on the dates and we'll let everybody draw their own conclusion. Yeah, we'll let everybody draw their own conclusion. Comment, you know, and we'll see if we can put our combined brain power together and see if we can figure some things out. But anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around. Here we go. Alrighty. So, first we have this. I don't know if you can see it. Died June 25th, 1911. Age 83. And I believe that's 5 months. Then you go down here. Selena Lore, his wife, died February 7th, 1860. She was 26 and 9 months when she died. So, anyway, so there's that. Let's walk up here. And this wind is a ripping. December 23rd, 1799. Died April 23rd, 1878. At 78 years old. Alrighty. March 22nd, 1828. Died November 28th, 1917, at 89 years old. Wow, that's really tough to see, but I believe it says, wow, that's tough. I believe that says 1831 and died 1953, maybe? That's so difficult to see, guys. I'm not sure. Let's go over here, some other ones. This looks like a replacement tomb. Well, obviously it has to be a replacement tombstone, or I don't know, maybe they were much wealthier and could afford whatever this is. I mean, some of these gravestones are pretty odd looking. You want to see something pretty amazing? Check this out. Born January 9th, 1807. Died March 9th, 1886. 1812, 1898. This thing is It's pretty amazing. It's supposed to look like a tree. It's definitely some kind of concrete. Bas relief on it there. It's pretty cool. Our mother, Mary A., wife of Ishmael Relacy, died June 26, 1829, age 43 and 3 months and 11 days. They just don't make tombstones like this anymore, and it's man, they're odd. You see the back of them, they all have these like striation marks, and I believe these things may have been poured. You see this? It's cracked here too. I don't know that natural stone. I don't know that natural stone would crack like that. Things break along with the cleavage of fracture, meaning the path of least resistance, basically. So it's just, I don't know what that means. It's just a puzzle piece. Shall we continue? March 7th, 1873, July 26, 1912. Elizabeth, wife of W.H. Waltman, died 1886 at 36 years old. What a shame. This, oh, sorry about that, guys. Mother and father, it looks like. Gone but not forgotten. Meet me in heaven. Died 1884. Died. Wow, that's weathered. I can make it out there because it says 1912. That's really heavily eroded. You would think that if this was stone like they say it was, it wouldn't erode like that. 1868 to 1942. Wow. That's the year the Civil War ended and the year World War II began, I believe. Somebody can correct me on that in the comments if I'm wrong, which I might be. You see, all these tombstones break here because they're drilled and sat down onto this base, obviously. $1895, 1885, 1829 to 1885, 1832 to 1909. 57 to 42. Because it is so windy. I'm guessing when I edit it, check it out, that the wind is just going to be ridiculous. I'm not going to be able to even use it, which would be a shame. But, let's keep going. We're going to go down through. We're going to go down through a couple more rows here and just check them out and see what they say. They're all puzzle pieces, guys. 1878 to 1906. Oh, 1896. Died. Born 1835. Died 1896. Age 60. Died 1888. I mean, look at the shitty repair job they did on this thing. boy, if I want to say it's disrespectful, but I'm sure they tried to do the best they could. But it's just, you can almost tell that these things are cast. These are rocks.